Good morning, students of class 9. You are welcome back to the classes. We are doing history. Today's date is 21st of June 2021. We are doing socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. So 4.3, this is the subtitle, Stalinism and collectivization, continue, and criticism. We are doing this. There are altogether 5 points over here. Point number 12. Many within the party, Bolshevik party or Socialist party, many within the party criticized the confusion in industrial production. So the member itself, they criticized Stalin because it was quite confusing in the industrial production under the planned economy. So as far as we have learned that there were 5-year plans were implemented, 2 5-year plans, but still the agricultural production did not increase and 4 million people died of starvation and famine, worst famine in Russian history. We have learned that. That's why these many members within the party criticized the confusion in industrial production under the planned economy and the consequences result of collectivization. So they began to ask questions. Number 13, Stalin and his supporters charged those people with conspiracy who opposed, who did not want to work in collective farms. They were charged with conspiracy. Conspiracy means work secretly to achieve a goal. That is called conspiracy. In Hindi we call it sadyantra. So they were charged with conspiracy against the socialism. So they were arrested. By 1939, over 2 million people were in prison. They were arrested and put into prison or in labor camps. They were sent to labor camps or in prisons. They were arrested. Number 15, most of them were innocent of crimes. Most of the people who were arrested were innocent. They had no fault. They were innocent of the crime, but no one spoke for them. There was nobody to speak for them because all were scared. They might get arrested, so nobody spoke for them, even though these people were innocent. A large number were forced to make false confession. Confession means to accept. A large number of people were made to they were forced to make false confession under torture. They were tortured. Torture means to provide bodily pain. They were tortured and forced them to accept their fault and were executed. Many of them were executed. Executed means killed. So in this way, point number 16, several of them who were killed were talented professionals. They were talented professionals, educated professionals and scholars, artists, writers. Such people were arrested and they were executed. Those were professionals. Now in our next class we'll talk about global influence. This is the last portion of this chapter, global influence of the Russian Revolution and the USSR. That is 5.0 continue. So this is the last portion, last subtitle, global influence of social revolution. So Russian Revolution. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for your watching and don't miss your classes. So that's all. Thank you very much.